Very important. Minimum of 26-inch clearance required above ceiling for installation of GA model fans. Always follow local building codes. Determine in which area you would like to install your QuietCool garage whole house fan. We recommend placing the fan as far as possible from windows or air inlets to ensure optimal circulation. Now it's time to find the exact location using a stud finder or by going up into the attic and finding the location. Locate the ceiling studs and mark the location for the fan to be installed. When you find the location, from down below, mark a square using the template. Make sure you have 2 inches of clearance all the way around it so the grill fits with no obstructions. Starting at one corner of the square, using a drywall saw, cut out the opening. Remove the drywall cutout and clear away insulation, if applicable. Important: the fan includes removable flanges for securing the fan to the ceiling joists. At least one flange must be removed so that the fan can be installed directly next to a joist for proper fan mounting and support. If installing 24 inches on center, one flange should be removed with one side of the fan secured to a ceiling joist. If installing 16 inches on center, 2 flanges should be removed with both sides of the fan secured to the ceiling joists. If needed, you can remove the ceiling flanges and pass the fan directly through the ceiling cutout. You will need to reattach all the flanges to the fan except for the sides that will be secured to the ceiling joists. To remove the flanges, simply take a screwdriver and pry between the flange surface of the fan. Do this along the entire edge of the flange and it will pop off. Take the GA fan model into the attic and place it over the ceiling cutout. Clear out any insulation that may have gotten into the fan when moving through the attic space before attaching to the joists. Attach the fan using screws into the ceiling joists. Very important. Check to make sure fan blade spins freely and the fire damper closes easily. Make sure to secure the clip in the open position. The GA includes an integrated fire damper that will automatically close if a fire starts inside your attic. Here are the steps to set the fire damper. The GA ships with the fire damper in the closed position. Using your hands, open the fire damper. Pull the clip from one fire damper to the other and make sure it is secured in the open position. Install the ceiling grill. Installation is now complete.